Students, today I will teach you basic postulates of Boolean logic. These are the basic postulates are the rules that is proved in itself. It means those rules that does not require any other rule to prove that. Those rules are known as basic postulates. These rules are used in Boolean logic. These are the very important rules. I am going to list these rules. First rule: if a Boolean variable x is not equal to 0, then it is clear its value will be 1. And if a Boolean variable that is not equal to 1, then it is clear its value will be 0. The second rule related with the OR operation. This rule is related with the OR operation. So we can say it is a OR logic operation. OR logic operation. 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Here 0 and 1 are the truthness and falseness. It means 0 means absence of signal and 1 means presence of signal. If there is presence of signal in the two terminals, then while ORing that two terminals, we will also get a presence of signal, I mean 1. Third rule is related with the AND logic operation. AND logic operation. This says that 0.0 is equal to 0, 0.1 is equal to 0, and 1.0 is equal to 0, 1.1 is equal to 1. It means it gives output 1 when both inputs are 1. And last rule, it is related with the NOT logic operation. NOT logic operation. This says that the complement of 0 is equal to 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. It means if there is no signal in the circuit and we apply the NOT gate, we use the NOT gate, then it reverses its output, it produces the output 1. Now let us see the principle of duality. These four rules are known as the basic postulates. With the help of these rules, we can derive other rules. Now let us see the basic principle of duality. Principle of duality, this says that from a Boolean expression, we can derive a new Boolean expression. How we can derive the new Boolean expression from a given Boolean expression? This is with the help of some rules, and these rules are: first, change each OR operation into AND sign. Second rule, change each AND sign with OR sign. And third rule, replace each 0 by 1 and vice versa. Means replace each 0 by 1 and each 1 by 0. Now let us take some example on the principle of duality. You can note down. X dot y is equal to 1. Its dual operation will be find its dual operation. This is an example. Dual operation. Solution. Change dot by sign. Here we x plus y is equal to 0. We are changing dot by this. Alright. We are replacing 1 by 0. This is the dual expression of x dot y is equal to 1. Students, now let us study basic theorems of Boolean algebra. basic theorems of Boolean algebra. These theorems are proved with the help of postulates that I have told you. So postulates are necessary. Without postulates we cannot prove the theorems, and I have told you about the postulates. Now let us see the basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Basic theorems, basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Students, these are the basic theorems of Boolean algebra. These theorems can be proved with the help of basic postulates and truth table. I wrote for you, there are 9 basic theorems. You need to remember all these theorems. While these are necessary, while proving, verifying the Boolean expression, you need these theorems. With the help of these theorem and postulates, you cannot justify, you cannot verify the Boolean expression. So you need to remember it. You can prove it with the help of Boolean postulates as well as with the help of truth table. In the next video, I will teach you the De Morgan's theorem. For today, it is enough. Thank you.